how to add a second face recognition alternative appearance on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we go down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Now tap on screen lock and biometrics. In here, put in your current PIN and tap on continued. After that, we go down and tap on face recognition. Then tap on add alternative appearance to enhance recognition. And then tap on the register button to begin. Now use the camera and scan your face to add in a second face recognition. Okay, so once it's done, you can use the first Face ID or the second face recognition to unlock your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.